Hi everyone, Judy here. Welcome to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you our Sirao Garden and Temple of Leia travel. These are located in the mountainous areas here in Cebu, but still in Cebu City. The perfect time to go to this place, I would recommend you to go there around 1 p.m. going to Sirao Garden and then spend some time there for picture taking. After 2 hours, you go down. You might want to go to Tops. There are some restaurants there. And just right outside Sirao Garden, there are small stalls selling drinks and other local delights. The entrance to Sirao Garden is 50 pesos, about $1, okay, US dollar. And then 25 pesos for senior citizens, and it's free for kids below 7 years old. The way to go there is by van or by private car, or if you want to take the motorbike habal-habal, you can contract a habal-habal driver at the JY Square. The cost will be around 400 pesos based on my research in subu.ph website. So 400 pesos for 2 persons already, one-way trip, and then that is per trip. And then you might be charged for 100 to 200 pesos depending on your negotiation skills for waiting time fee. The ride will take about 30 to 45 minutes. So Sirao Garden, Little Amsterdam. It will give you a feel of being in Amsterdam. It has evolved from a simple Sirao flower farm to a Little Amsterdam. So there are a lot of Instagrammable spots where you can take good pictures. If you get cold easily, it's better to bring a light jacket or a shawl, okay, to keep you warm. Because this place is a cold place because you are already on the top of the mountain. Okay, now let's go to Temple of Leia. Temple of Leia is the Taj Mahal of Cebu. It's a way to show the love of Mr. Teodorico Adarna to his wife, Leia. That's why I call it Temple of Leia. It is a Roman-inspired temple, and then the entrance is 50 pesos. So it's open from morning to night time. Okay, so if you happen to be in Cebu, these are good places to be in. It's worth your money, I would say. Temple of Leia is still under construction, so a lot of rooms are not open to public yet. And it has a huge open space where the kids can just run around. There are a stall there selling some goodies and snacks and drinks as well. So you can just sit there, and it's overlooking the city. You can have a good view of Metro Cebu there. You might want to check out my other travel videos. So there's a playlist at the end of this video. You might want to check that out. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.